Alright, bro.
I'll text you, bro.
Yes, sir. Alright, so we just picked up Miss Kimberly's new CBR600RR. It's 2012 underseat exhaust, and we've got my gorgeous 21R1 with the new wrap. Got Miss Jules. Alright, thought I'd get going. Get a little warm startup for y'all. Going to Ken's house. Nah. Got a little power wheelie going. I'm still learning how to wheelie, so I'm working with that. Okay. So we've got my R1. We've got CBR600RR and an R7 with Miss Jules. The wrap, it just got finished 2 days ago. 2 days ago. Now I picked it up Tuesday morning. Today is Wednesday. Because my camera's upside down, so I can get more space on the vents. Shit. No fucking clue where I'm going. Let's see if I can get a wheelie in. Maybe not. Fucking roads suck balls in Houston. And I have a reflective visor that's dark, and then like my tires are getting stuck in like cracks. My bike's like wobbling. It's just not my day. Well, these streets are just not it right now. And then we've got the issue of I don't know where I'm going. As soon as we get on the highway, no talking, just gonna be ripping it. This is bad. I have no clue where I'm going. Gas stinks off Kim's new bike. Oh, we're turning. Couldn't have told you I knew that. So we have to watch out to make sure her bike is A-okay. It's a 12-year-old bike that has reportedly sat for 12 years. Or 11, I don't know, I don't remember. But it's sat for a long time. And we have me in the back to make sure it's okay. Looks green, looks good. We're going to take off her mirrors because she does not like them at all. I think I used to live here. I don't know. The ghetto. Are we going on a highway? Highway! Right park for wheelie? Hey now. I hope this is the right exit. I really do.